Today I'm showing you two different ways to make teriyaki poached eggs, an easy air fryer version and the classic simmered in sauce method. Love simple but impressive recipes like this? Don't forget to subscribe and check the full written recipe in the description below. Spray each ramekin with non-stick cooking spray. Add 2 tablespoons of water to each cup. Preheat the air fryer with the cups of water inside to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Carefully open the air fryer so the water doesn't spill out of the cups. Crack 1 egg into each cup. The egg white may begin to cook immediately because of the hot water, and that's exactly what we want. Cook at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for about 6.5 minutes until the whites are set but the yolks stay soft and jammy. Now let's make the homemade teriyaki sauce for the classic poached version. Soy sauce, 1 cup. Sugar, 1 cup. Mirin, 1/2 cup. Grated ginger, 1.5 teaspoons. Minced garlic, 1 teaspoon. Simmer everything together in a saucepan until it reduces to a syrupy texture. Once the teriyaki sauce has thickened, lower the heat, so it stays gently simmering and not boiling. Carefully crack the eggs directly into the teriyaki sauce, keeping them separate if possible. Let them cook gently in the sauce until the whites are set and the yolks remain soft. Gently remove the eggs from the sauce with a spoon. Garnish with roasted sesame and sliced green onions. Rich, savory, slightly sweet, and perfectly silky in the center. You can serve these over rice, noodles, or even toast. If you enjoyed these 2 easy ways to make teriyaki eggs, make sure to subscribe for more recipes like this, and I'll see you in the next one.